Hello friends, meet again. I am Nurul Asari, a public administration student. This time I will discussion citizen rights for demand ethics in public service regarding the rights of citizens which are divided into several. But this time I will explain three rights, including the rights to get access to official information, the rights to get a ration for an official decision, and the right to procedural justice. And I will share my experience regarding these rights. The first one is the right to get access to official information, where now as the right to information is an important principle of freedom of speech and government transparency. It is the basic right of every individual to access information that is generated, stored, or controlled by government agencies. With this right, individuals have the ability to request the documents, reports, dates, or other information for government agencies. The second is the right to get a reason for official decision, which basically this right in designed to provide transparency and accountability in the decision-making process within the government. This right is important because it can help protect individuals and society from unfair or discriminatory decision. By knowing the reason behind a decision, an individual or group can assess whether the decision is based on true facts and is completely in accordance with applicable laws and regulations. And the third is the right to procedural justice. This refers to the right of every individual to receive fair and balanced treatment in decision making under the law. This means that when someone is involved in illegal process, they are entitled to equal treatment from the authorities and have the same opportunity to present their case. Okay, I will share the expressions related to these three rights. An example on my experience regarding the experience of the right to get access to official information. When at the school where I went, I was interested in applying for scholarship that was given to understanding student. However, information about the requirements, application procedure, and the number of scholarship available is unclear, and many other students are also confused about how to apply. To get clarity, and I am some friends submit an official information request to the school administration department asking for details related to the scholarship. In a short time, the school provides complete information including registration, recruitment deadline, selection procedure, and available scholarship quotas. In addition, we all got information about how scholarship funds are budgeted from year to year. With this information, my friend and I can prepare our application will and follow the current procedure. Next, it is my experience regarding the right to get a ration for an official decision. One day I was invited to attend a birthday party for my best friend. I was very excited and happy to leave, but when I asked my parents for permission to refuse my request, I felt disappointed and confused why they didn't allow me to go, especially since my mother friends were allowed to attend. married to get an explanation. I asked my parents to explain the reason behind their decision. Personally, my parents explained that they were worried about the safety at the event. They also revealed they felt that I was not responsible enough to attend the big events without supervision. After hearing the explanation, I began to understand the parents' point of view. Although I will sad because I can leave, I appreciate that their decision is based on the best care and interest for my safety. And the last one is my experience which reflect the right to procedural justice. At school, we experienced a situation where the principal issued a new rule that prohibited the use of mobile phone during class hours. Many of us felt that this decision was unfair and detrimental, especially because there were many reasons why we need to use phones for educational purposes, such as searches for information or access learning applications. Feeling the need to express an opinion, a group of classmates and organization a meeting outside the classroom after school hours. We discussion or concurs and agreed that we shall formally express our objections. We decided to make a petition asking the principal to hold a forum where students can express their views and ideas about the use of mobile phones in school. In the forum, students are given the opportunity to tell about their views and experience regarding the use of mobile phones. We experience our opinion peacefully and orderly, and the school also explained the reason behind the rule. So, in this process, we realize the importance of the right to procedural justice. We have the right to participate in decisions that affect our school life. The open dialogue between students and the school allows us to convey views and find solutions together. As for the advice that can be given is that applying public administration ethics is an important step to create a clean, transparent, and accountability government. Always be honest and transparent in providing information, and do not hide or cover up important information from the public. It can harm them. Every individual or institution involved in public service must be responsible for the action the decision taken, solve problems in a good and positive way. By applying good ethics in public service, we can help create a more transparent, responsive, and trustworthy government for the public. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum.